Guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this perfect timing filter on TikTok. Okay, what you can do, you can go to your effect gallery, you can go to your trending, and you can search for this filter. This effect icon look like this, but it's very difficult to find with search or from your homepage because there are lots of filter with the same name, perfect timing. So what you can do, just visit my profile. Okay, on my profile you will see this playlist. Here you have to go to perfect timing. Okay, you will see the effect video here, just tap on it. Okay, now tap on the effect icon on the bottom left corner of the video. Okay, now just tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you got the filter. Now let's try. Okay, tap on the record button and tap on the screen to start. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, you can make it 100. Give it a try. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.